Well, má tá rud amháin a gredamid go láidir into I how to Gael. It's exercising your democratic right to vote.
And I tell you, it's on a chic, isn't it, to be politically engaged, as we'd say ourselves. Agus beg deise gwyn galéir a bheith harveh chic on Sarasa, mar tá na by-elections just around the corner.
Sinead, if you are a Dublin Central or a Galway West girlie, we want to hear your voice in the by-elections. Make sure all of your details are up to date and that you're registered to vote, or else you're going to miss out.
Sinead, Dana, it literally takes you 3 minutes start to finish. Just log on to checktheregister.ie. It couldn't be easier or more straightforward.
Lou, se hai imicht on Lua Saurig. Okay, to mish chun anach plans in of timple mo vote a chav. So I'm thinking like a little pre-vote cafe. Better shul green on a vote hall.
Sure, no better woman to make it out of the politics, and you should too. As soon as you vote, take a selfie of yourself and hashtag your vote, your voice. Let us see you in action.
Díomh fáidir ep na seachtaine rud atá Harba Hilton, because this is how to Naomh Gobnait.
Agus táimid beo, agus táimid cheiliúradh Bealtaine an seo how to Gael. Lumsa Louise.
Agus lumsa Doireann.
Agus le Ghobnait come on.
Ghobnait, I know. Oh my God.
Okay, call William Wood agus cad táimid Dana.
Okay, so seo a Bealtaine special ó Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí an áitgur bast an bhuinter hénig, tá bíd an sos sa relic, tá mo bhuinter curtha te feared even son sa relic, and this is where all my people come from. We're in the heart of the Ghaeltacht, and the big thing about this Ghaeltacht is Naomh Gobnait. She's the Queen of Munster. She's the Queen of Gael. She Naomh Patriún Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí agus Ghaeltacht agus dún Queen. So there you go. She's got the credentials. She's the Kerry side Hamas a bet is a
Well, buicas more Lydia. Do you know what? Tá sé harva like Roman Sul actually an Ocean when they're see we're like we ska on crown all in the show. And it's actually just if you could see on camera this cocker that's kind of resting in the little luber and
we'll take a pic.
I'll do it Laura and in real time you can over
Tá sugan go leis sin na hain chomát and na hain gleich. Now I'm thinking so we're recording this obviously before Bealtaine and Nova Sha on Seachtú Láide go Míabran on Glushmead and Chuach on weekend show.
Oh,
will we hear the Chuach?
Because that would be the cherry.
It wouldn't be the cherry on top.
Yeah.
So tá sé lua go fóil, but sa chéad seachtain nó caiicí sele like Beshi le plus well Beshela plus Ghobnait, because isn't it the man who sings?
Sinead, so Honey Mission saw O'Kirkig, Honey Doireann Armadin, I was peace about Níos Danny H number, and I was thinking of you during Rajic Tamant. She is O'Kirkig. I was in Ballinaspig and it was about, I don't know, Truckanóid, but Truckanóid support. Gach Ila Dara Oish was like, ambush site. Site. I was like, Jesus, was well more than she, I'd say.
We're in pure bandit country here now. Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, absolutely. And Gilton's star fad now because I'm going to sheer go cool le bula le mo inter tray show. So
le the whole. Well, I'm faithful in Tusney and Sean. Where Shibachade or of on Shaw.
Yeah.
Like in Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí.
Yeah,
like I'm on my trees on Ghaeltacht, but you're suppository. So if it events on Tom would actually in our sea Doireann le Delafmore agus on Tubber.
On Tubber. And Shahay Osh. So this is a pilgrimage site. So there have been people coming to this site for more than 2,000 years to do pilgrimage and to pray and to give thanks to Ghobnait, or Naomh Gobnait, but I suppose she's a pagan goddess. She's kind of like the Munster iteration of Naomh Breed. So anach dus na scéalta tá clust gwyn gael Naomh Breed is fear tá na scéalta céanna the heis buitach le Naomh Gobnait. But I'll tell you, so I'll give you the whole background of Naomh Gobnait. This is my speciality subject because I have my little bee tattoo is Naomh Gobnait is Naomh Patriún thus na bacha and the beekeepers, and all of my family keep bees as well. So if we're doing well now, we might get an jar of honey out of them. So we'll bring it back.
Sidebar tapa, rounding to Ghobnait than confirmation.
Yeah.
Round to
Yeah. So I'm doing Naomh Gobnait who got on.
God, because you know when Ravias Muna Gurkig they slag like the amount of Colini that had Ghobnait more like second name, and they'd be like, oh, it's a dreadful name. So there was a moon Thor August Gubby and Tanaviri. She shortened it to Gubby.
Gubby's the real.
So if you're a Cork like
real Cork
or sliding slipping.
Sliding, but because actually thought Carolum and the baby a colour Denny. And the fellow wants to call the baby Ghobnait. And like I am a massive Ghobnait fan, but I just think in 2026
Toshe Dakar Monowil and Starados.
Monowil and Star like they thought like this is in Dublin now. So you could call a baby Ghobnait and so and everybody would get it and everybody would be all for it. But I think on the north side of Dublin it might be a different story.
So on the south side, they'd Gubby.
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 Oh
my God, Gubby.
Ghobnait.
You're really Saint Ghobnait.
Oh my God, so good. Yeah, there you go. That'll be your Bob's name.
Ghobnait. But you know, I actually know. So she kind of like foster him.
Yeah, it kind of is. Yeah, it's a real statement. But Gubby, I think Gubby is cute.
Go cinntas ná gobar préchán. I'm like, ní leachtar gom san ollscoil, he used to always have an frozen sin. Yeah, but táis go das, go on, cé Gobnait.
Okay, so Naomh Gobnait was, so her father was a pirate, beagnach farige about a hatter, okay? And okay, those are your students. Okay.
And the Gobnaits go on.
Yeah. But beagnach farige about a hatter, so Ihe bháin nuair a bhí si an mád linn a hathair, and he used to be going around robbing people the whole time and just generally doing what pirates do, I don't know, getting drunk and all that crack. She had a vision, tháinig díochaige t-eagrán agus dúirte le leanar to dul catún an dahar agant agus an mehel daoine seo agant agus catú dul agus séirú son dia, and he gave her a vision and said, go to the place where you find 9 white deer. Now, this is a Catholic retelling of it. Obviously, the pagan story is slightly different. But next thing was, she got off the boat, she escaped off the boat when they came to land in Inisheer. And she stowed away in Inisheer because the hope she kill Inisheer. She took a small little church. You can still go and see the church on Inisheer Island. And she was in Inisheer for a while, and then she said, no, I know, I need to keep going until I see the 9 white deer. So on she went then, she left, she came to land in Clare, she came down through Clare, she came as far as Limerick, would you believe? There's a Tuber de He's a Limnach, and then from Limerick she went to Waterford actually, and she was there near Naomh Gobnait for a while. It's really interesting because she's associated with all the Ghaeltacht there, so she was in Naomh Gobnait or Frank Tamil.
She had a type.
She had a type, and then she travelled down again, she travelled all through North Kerry, and she settled for a while in Doireann. And she saw 3 white deer apparently in Doireann, and she was there for a long time, and they built a church there as well, and she had lots of followers in Doireann. And the story tells us she was very sad to leave Doireann, but she had another apparition, and the apparition said, you have to keep going until you find the 9 white deer. So she left Doireann and she travelled east. Hannah she served go t-eagrán Hannah she Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí agus an sa a measnach cnic a chunig she na naomh fion na bána agus is an sa a thucraigh she síos agus a thóg she in Temple. Agus se áit go bhfuil an bailcha sin, and then cíhe si bhanis is I chéad chuid eile tá chun si bhúirte steach sa réalaigh chun an rud ar fada eiscint. But she was an absolute force. She was very well respected around here, and as I said, she was the painter's name for beekeepers, and she was also people come to her a lot. Going to Naomh Gobnait, which is like a brat breed, and they have a small little wooden dallah did that I think it goes back like a millennia, and on Naomh Gobnait, which is in Hindu Deagami Fiara, people go and bless themselves and get their little Naomh Gobnait. So my aunt actually brought me one in Paris, which is very cute because it had just been Naomh Gobnait, and like all my aunts and uncles and everything, when they travel and stuff, they'd always have a Naomh Gobnait on their bags and whatever. So so that was Naomh Gobnait, and there's loads of stories around her in the locality of like I'll bring you to show her bula now and the Gadi Dove Istig.
So cadéan cean go tá leis na bacha?
Leis na bacha, well, bin rud really Ghaeltacht. The Gael were always great beekeepers, and bees and honey, even like going back to like ancient times, like Cleopatra was a great beekeeper, and there's something very sensual. It's a very feminine kind of a otherworldly tie between the bees, a very sensual otherworldly tie between the women and the bees and the beekeeping and the honey, and it comes from like fertility and sex, and she was a great beekeeper, and she had a real touch with she was a great healer, and of course there's great healing in honey, and then she was also for cures for people come to her all the time for animal cures and for cures for people, so is that kind of otherworldly thing. And I think it's that otherworldly thing about honey as well, like honey's such a understood, does that make sense? Like ní hiigh mí dána chuid meallar an mill agus tá sé cho cóchtach, you know. There you go.
Calling. Well, nach das.
I know.
Well, Lannan would arrive.
Yeah, Lannan would arrive. Rami dín chéad stop eile ar an Naomh Gobnait tour. Okay, could you go? So church bugga inis.
Má híam gohfuilm se ar tracks and trails.
I know,
nationwide nor they go, like agus leis.
There you go, Donald, we're coming for you.
Yeah, we're coming for you.
So Sean Bula, right? So we're going to the law of Shachan so Kiadu like go on Kimmelton sana is Kiadu Bula.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I was again so that's an old right?
Yeah.
So sin Bula Ghobnait agus an scéal. Yeah, so an scéal sin ná would Garev
just so we can add it in chuma.
So an scéal leis an bula ná Garev na Sasnig and so agus Garáidir I ddírig an áit of like plantation.
Yeah. Okay.
Agus Vider Giri Cushlan a Hogant, but obviously near a winter na háte no you know na Tisha Ghaeltacht I ddírig a darloch session. So they put it on so Ghobnait was sitting here in Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí and so and this used to be a great court na Haigsha vi winter to hear and so like they were great poets, they were famous all over Munster Egan O'Rahilly, the famous Egan O'Rahilly came here in the 18th century. Yes, so these would have been these would have been like 1758 1760, so they've been here doing filiocht anyway. So she was sitting here and now this is obviously going back like a millennia, and she was really pissed off that Gael Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí in later version of the story was Ghaeltacht. So the story goes that every night, so they would be working hard to build their castle, and then every night she would send the bula down to them, and it would knock all of the progress that they made.
Yeah.
And so eventually they couldn't further any of their progress, so they left. So she got rid of them by the bula, but there's great healing in this. So people would come and say prayers, and they would you know, Himlo fa Shanna Gubble Nuradagant Lesha agus Yerfa Podger agus and you know the mech bow bro to go or something, you know, Curhalish and bow wears, and there was great cures to be got from that bula.
Unreal.
So there you go, girl.
Okay, so Céile so Luig mis Seanna Riordan.
Seanna Riordan
here yeah.
So Col Cheshire lumsa Dreardar of Seanna Riordan Philip Untach yeah Tatir na Nogar Chula Titi Rawling Trinacada nu Jean and Vehev and Ulhurt is just enough Shiada. So Anna Ille, then vi Farella
Padderway.
Oh, Padwy O'Leary or O'Leinchik. Padwy O'Leinchik, Commodore Avrani about or Commodore Avrani about Hashin Philip Untach, and will I sing you one of a song?
Let the whole, yeah.
Okay, I'll give you two verses of a famous song that you like this one because it's me Aller Bano.
Which can show tap of your phone come on.
This is me Aller Bano who was a Reiki of Team Plataja, and they couldn't control her because she was so mad for crack, and then
almost
yes.
Yeah. Me a more mach.
Yeah.
I'm all born.
Martin day down a trip up in the stuk vi Ghaeltacht Mhúscraí Nelly Heli. Bhí na búrda múlas an tóla gléachún, bhí sí ann is níról sí brandis a falta dalda dairo, falta dalda dairo, sa falta dítlai dídairo. Falta dalda dairo, falta dalda dairo, falta dítlai dídairo. Sair Martin day down ag te shaffer in the stuchte his in the hacke shoe leis scéalta. Gach go hanig ban the teacht become known chairde. Is the bersig an bhil hem callí néireach sa falda dalda dairo, falda dalda dairo, sa falda dítlai dídairo. Falda dalda dairo, falda dalda dairo, falda dítlai dídairo. Sai farda ní huamal na din me chairde, ma bhím go mór leis an callí néireach. San canna bhí cuaireach ní olad brande, nis tá hiúling lein drochta galam ar builde sa falda dalda dairo, falda dalda dairo, falda dítlai dídairo. Falda dalda dairo, falda dalda dairo, falda dítlai dídairo. Sa fecking go brach ar chláir nuair éanach, bíoch ganna agah cathairt in na lábhan éanach. Ní hágang se páirt in na náire nach chairde, is der rinkach sé ar chláir leamráileach in sa falda dalda dairo, falda dalda dairo, falda dítlai dídairo. Falda dalda dairo, falda dalda dairo, falda dítlai dídairo. There you go now. I love that Lena. The rinkeach she chlár le marálach there, and she danced on a table with me for the beauty of Ireland. Isn't that a great?
They're all
Yeah. It's a deadly line. But Pat Bui was a travelling poet, and like it's a Spanish.
On lad atá chur an sin. So Gael would pick all the
yeah, we got a little pick of the gravestone.
Yeah.
But he was a travelling poet, and it just goes to show how the power that they had in that time, because people were like afraid of their life, that he would write a song about them and immortalise them.
Yeah.
And it was kind of thought as like a bit of a. It wasn't good juju to be drawn on yourself that someone would write about you.
The satire sure wasn't that. It was all satirical and
totally.
They're very bitchy.
Incredibly bitchy.
So,
and it was a piper as well. And he used to have, and I'll tell you another thing, he actually had the cure. He had the cure in his ardóg, ar chlár na hardóig aige. And there's a very famous singer called Bess Cronin who actually pretty more got, on board the good ship Kangaroo, and he got loads of songs off her. She was really famous and very well known kind of around the 50s and 60s when she was an older woman. But she had an awful toothache as a child, and Padvui, she used to tell a story that he came, when she was a child, he came in and rubbed her gum for her, and 3 days after he died, the toothache started up again. And she had always known that she had got the cure from Padvui in 3. Yeah, isn't that mad?
Yeah.
And that was from when she was a small child up until, and he died then when she was, I don't know, maybe in her 20s.
Tá cuach down cínta tá. And it's the scéalta, isn't it? It's unreal.
Yeah.
Like, Doireann an scéal sin that my grandmother's people were one of many lucids.
Oh, yeah.
And it all came from an old bard or a man who used to, when there was loads of people, give the different families names based on their characteristics.
Oh,
so the Clúisí had the big ears. But then Nana's crowd were the Nari lucids, because they're also narrow.
Yeah.
And imagine though, wasn't it? Imagine cook the VA na dini shinnig and now like on Anam shin a hortish, and then it would stay le blianta with all the generations of your family were known as the Clúisí. If ever you were conscious of your Clúisí.
Yeah, you'd be mortified.
That's it. I can be a Nari though.
You can be a Nari. That you've been
Nari all day.
Okay. Right, me getting cute. So this is
Stop a tree.
Se an tríú stád an Naomh Gobnait tour agus táimid istéig sa Seanna Shepéal so agus má chéantú so fear that, do you see that head sticking out of the wall?
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, so she an gadaí dubh. Agus in scéal bhí an leis an gadaí dubh ná bhí Naomh Gobnait had a beautiful fine prize white horse. And he was famous all over Ireland for being such a beautiful horse, and the gadaí dubh decided that he wanted her lovely horse. So the bhriseisteach an sásta tample ihe nuair bhí sin a chola, agus the hóg sé, the rid sé an leirbán, an leirbán, an capelbán, and leire sé focail a gcóir capelbán.
Oh, good daft.
Yeah. And the rid sé an leirbán agus de chu sé néir an capel agus bhí sé a marcaíocht an ihe fad, agus nuair a rúsig nuair a dairigh Grian hála sé go raibh sé trééis fedal timppla agus chósanacht and like sé kind of gafa sa loop mar deirch makeup, and he wasn't near sé able to
Oh my god.
So they found him and killed him, and there he is there.
Oh, with his little small head.
Yeah, and he never crossed Naomh Gobnait again.
Oh my god.
An gadaí dubh.
An gadaí dubh.
Sinné an scéal meall an gadaí dubh. So there you go.
Harvest she a content so.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. An mohíonn sa fuinmh le.
Oh, big time. You know,
agus ar nólas go bhfuil I know the hínseir chur an tam.
Oh, big time. Do you remember if we made rád at Hannah nar hagam so on Schleven san taifírding malachanosh nar hagam she's trust na malachanish like Vlachlia. Like I can physically feel that. It's a different place, and I excited to go it's just a different place. Sure, now more like better North Kerry, but just totally.
But you know, tá sé cótábhachtach the aon I suppose tá géisteacht gan an taithí leis an áit as a dána siad. Tá sé tábhachtach dul a ráis agus the fréimhacha aimsú and just shúil timppla náit and around the hínseir. You know, there's scéalta agus few like fuinmh, isn't there?
Yeah, oh for sure. DNA memory. But Dermid na sin a gcónaí, you know, gar like sin airnal in a Willamide na a Goberan, people like really lose the run of themselves a lot. You know, you often see it like people who are working in TV or media or whatever, and they kind of, I don't know, they just kind of lose themselves a little bit in all of the drinking and the partying.
I believe they call it up to high-do.
But it's a great anecdote or antidote to all of that is like just come back to where you come from
Grounding.
and spend a day or two out in nature, listen to the birds, touch the grass. And sin atá scríofa uainn seán ar iardáin níl anam ach báil chorp mohinshire and like you're only a link in a chain from all the people you come from. It's very, which is
agus fiú mátá tú a cheistú rud or you know sa tóir fraggery or an áit of the hail will ceisna gan fraggart, I don't know. Go agus see an áit mar seo and actually Tagan, I don't know, Tagan Keel, no Tagan Saléireacht, no they.
Tagan for sure. But that's funny. So Brahan tusa on like grounding sin chawa.
Yeah. Well, a gcónaí agus mé in áit in ar an tíre, but ní in ar an tíre, but I suppose in Ghaeltachtaí, you know, an áit in a lán le star agus. You know, tá fuineh ver le, and actually. Is malam relig, like I like a graveyard. Is malam and granny and Hanamaka. Agus like Sauli and scéalta bhí ag na daoine. Do you know? Odds we should go.
Sin is malam sa star gomor because there's Anna cosú like got tú the halíochta úsáid and a géirí, you know, tú hain chur siamh nu a saoil na naoine eile seo and like I dúirigh saoú chunas mar bhí an saoil acu chuna hebh gríon na cintí sin chunas mar it's mad, isn't it?
I know. No, tá sé co-simul. Like, imagine what you think the Gadi Dove and Ghobnait would think if we were sat here on the camera.
I know.
Tapping podcast.
There's something
chronically millennial. Instagram.
Yeah. Tára Day can chronically millennial for but
agus like tap it on tune channels. But like, I suppose caig tú sinné like living history agus, you know, caig tú chabad bio sin an tain slí
for sure.
in a fanan sé.
You
know, so caig tú na scéalta ancient agus na daoine sin na cheiliúradh.
Céif and Gael, and it's just funny because I know being me to count me and Relegoon Ghobnait, but like it's like even if you don't subscribe godi, you know, on Aglish Catachach, tá rudaí gur féad le buinte as cosúla Naomh Gobnait nó cosúla Naomh bríd tá gom goil an spéir blina a Naomh bríd agus tá rudaí gur féad le tarang das a féidir okay ní credim in agriocht na haglaise ach credim, you know, sa fréamh seo nó sa fréamh seo, like they knew exactly what they were doing. I dúirigh graim cumad ar na scéalta seo mar bhísacha, you know, go raibh fíoringocht down na Gurdaine agus go raibh
morals.
Agus
totally. Gur féidir le úsáid ag marthal the hail. I think all of these things are rooted in some form of, I don't know, to direct your moral compass to Jane on Rud Cheacht. Agus tú hain, you know, a bheith, I don't know, mar daine ma.
There you go. God, tell me church Ariana Jeep nafull.
But knocked ass and Rudaí. Yeah.
So there you go, tan I'm sure. Okay, so in cad tree road go to Sulesh now in Sarah Shaw.
On Sarah Shaw?
Yeah, on Sarah Shaw. Tan Ghaeltacht Bealtaine shushing now, Tommy Freeland show on Sesur is
Antalin. Well, Vader Santalata is Barlam Sanor.
Yeah, it's Barlam Sanor.
It's like Luna San me, it's Barlam, as we know. But I suppose Tasha Shin really merchud than, I don't know, traditional Sarah Gonsan Aaron. Okay, and Rud Small Tom Shake Sulesh is actually agus tá sé le dránach le rá ach sota hógant mar ranning me semlí in the Sarah Das Cuin agus
Bog Sarah gan Declan a bheith immert, which is exciting.
Agus níam sé gur a bheith like a mock agus a goal agus Jane of, you know, ruddy crackát a gachéad a deir seachtainna barlam now stuff cosúla seoian actually agus písor sorta dhéana bhnéirin níos mó am a caithh beidir le mo hismahori agus ruddy data dhéanamh lo cúpla weekend trips in áitina. Now that said tá McDonald away.
But
that's just
exciting. I shouldn't really get that. So I'm excited about Levedal.
Cúpla féile ceol.
Cúpla féile ceol, so táimid dulgaín féilte ceol ar fad, táimid súil go mór le sin. Okay, so tá súla a bheith níos roi chúisí, a dulgaín féilte ceol agus an trí rud.
Agus, actually, sorry, maybe this is the contradiction of Kate and around with it, but Rod saw me irritating of right because I think the couple of me I've been rogue nohach ein Rod Marsha I want to bring back the humble going for a drink after work. Ag dollar go like Linnafi and then Bader just pint or they can
bring it back.
Well, into my life.
Alert evoked.
Into my sale. August, right? Tá, I don't know, I have this romantic image of myself, right? I got there shachta Bader creation number of a lovely slow evening where I'm going to also go back because to McDonald and I'm going to revisit all these places I studied for art history. I think I'm going to start painting again. And I'm going to go rash like a Jane of Alien, August like Old Fian. And I'm going to do. I'm going to try to have a painting no go Janta with Darren Tarek.
Oh my God!
It's random. Jamie McCann, Igor the. Yeah. So chuirteach now, Tommy Togan commissions.
Okay. Commissions. Oh my God,
commissions.
exciting.
Yeah.
Oh, dead.
I know.
Louise, sin honourún.
Yeah, Tógan sin inamh mar tá mo chara emer agsúil agus dúirsílam tá painting allmhór in mo hiigsa ilimnach that I did during COVID.
Okay.
And I kind of call it the snotty pick because I feel it reminds me of the COVID snot. But anyway, I'll have to put up a pic for you to see. It's allmhór, right?
Yeah.
But bí emer a gcónaí rá cartú ceannaíon of so Tom chun ceannaíon of de agus on Naomh Gobnait tá teacht hill. And then I'll do ceann eile.
Yeah.
To the villa.
Yes!
So
oh my
now,
God, Shin's so exciting.
Sinead,
Okay, Shin go
rash.
Well, Sinead, so and rudaí fé blah is maithe seo le tasnú rash. Okay, then I said a colour size medium and then do oil paintings, new oils, new watercolours, new.
No, I think beidir olive for emer, but then actually on medium sparlum is actually charcoals.
Okay, yeah.
So beidir they really charcoal.
Okay, deadly.
Yeah.
Oh, class. Okay, do I really soolish Shin? I think in Ireland Shin really good more this.
Yeah,
oh my God, I so see that for you now.
There you go.
I can see like Louise still team a girl fian on the ass in like a silky robe.
Yeah,
and
especially new
and
a palette.
Oh, no, perfect.
Bring it on.
Say
Sinead,
no more.
Say no more.
Perfect.
Cadfuta.
Okay, tríd go masúla. So rud actually abán is tá treéis rank glossary a chur agus tá chun Gardín mór a chur now caiise dul níl Gardín a gum so caiise dul tuig mo hisismóirí. But tá really géirí mo chud glossary hain a ásaréis nar bhís connaí gon tá chlár bhí sa fás mo chud glossary hain. And layman san le duine like I'd be breaking my heart to dul gotí little an aldi cnach glossary. The nutritional value is shite na glossary you can't into supermarkets. So tá mai géirí díriúisteach ar bheith cnach glossary either from the local fruit and veg shop no, and just like buy as you go, so like buy 3 carrots instead of a bag of carrots. And tá mai treéis roin shield a chur, tá mai chun tuile a chur agus bheith a buint mo chud kale hain, mo chud spinach hain, mo chud prátaí hain, it's really mar sin. And then so sin rud amháin go masúla. If we're though to my still go more live a shine fiddle gachla, should I read more of them so?
Yeah.
If I shine fiddle
and
I have to say the failed kill as well. The failed kill. But listen, I mean I will assist you in a Giri Torture Ration Nose go dull.
Yes,
no better woman.
And now just one, you're going to do like a we went
for sure.
While there in fact but I think it's just it's a sweet spot in. It's like we creek them over Galua Gael, and then just ag dul áid chuoin leat an níos sin a chumar amach all fianna, it was that little side street
and we were
getting
bhí sé sin really good ass.
So
that's
like
see have more a go. And tá couple trust really das a talk níos going be me de London couple about that and rudí mar sin a bhí mar actually caiid an deirteachna fiocha le deirteachna Bealtaine we were saying we just want to like do nothing and hang around Bealtaine.
Yes, have a really bougie, well not even a bougie. Just a Bealtaine
a Bealtaine weekend. No not for a gubber.
But exúile sin rudí sin now, it's gas cake ó holds mas táimid in our CMSA. Agus sinna co-grounded like fan
fast forward.
Gather look, but like no tu sé go das nach chuil sé dúna rudí sin like a lagan chur amach agus a raw sword.
For sure.
And you can keep us accountable.
Yay. Okay, so 2 artists at work here.
2 artists. Well, chuirteach freisin ein request like should we go áit eile ar gáún like mini shrá dhéanamh ag dul timple there. I don't know.
Timple there. Well, Aberlin can cap and shiv me other on episode show agus our Bealtaine special looks be dagwalling how to Gael@gmail.com.
Woo.
Slán
Bealtaine sana.